I am out at the Fun Aerospace Expo in Lakeland, Florida. Putting the OM-1 Mark II and the 100 to 400 lens to the test. Let's see what's flying. If you're going to shoot jets, I recommend at least 1/1000th of a second for the shutter, but I've noticed today I've had a lot of success at 1/2500th of a second. So the faster the better. I put mine in shutter priority mode for jets. And then for prop planes, you want a slower shutter speed. And potentially, depending on the plane, bigger planes, I've noticed 150, 160. And certain fighters, 250 works or 1/200th works to get the really good blur on the prop. But you got to work on your panning, so pan along with it, and good luck.